To solve such an equation, we have to identify the similar parts of the equation and relate them. For example, the part that is similar here, we relate it to be m, and that is x squared plus 2x. So that's the part that is similar in the whole equation. So we relate it. On relating it, we shall have m minus 4 plus 3 out of m is equal to 0. So we can cross multiply throughout. By multiplying m throughout, we shall have m squared minus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. So if you look at this equation, is a quadratic equation, and using factorization, it's m minus 3 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So you can use any that you want, either quadratic formula or factorization. So we come and say either m minus 3 is equal to 0 or m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 3 or m is equal to 1. So after getting those values, remember our m is equal to x squared plus 2x. So we come and say when m was equal to 3, so we come and say we shall have x squared plus 2x is equal to 3. So that's another quadratic equation. So we can rearrange and have x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So you can solve that equation using any method that you want. So this is x plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 3, either x is equal to negative 3, x is equal to negative 3, or x is equal to 1. So you have obtained the values of x when m is equal to 3. So come and say when m is equal to 1, we shall have x. So this is how you solve such an equation. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video if it is helping you. So going further, we shall have our next quadratic equation. So solving this, so we shall have x equaling to negative plus or negative 2 plus or minus. So we are using the quadratic formula to solve such. So into, so we substitute accordingly over 2 into 1. So either x, simplifying it and solving it, so we shall have either x is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 2, or x is equal to negative 1 minus square root of 2. So you have 4 values of x, and that's how you solve this equation. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, or if you have enjoyed this video. May God bless you. See you in the next.